Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you ready to start your day?
I am in love with my new extra large pill carrying case. The days of the week are on the side. You can see it when you pull them out. And it's aluminum, so it protects my pills when I drop them and they don't go flying all over the place. The silicone in the top keeps the seal very tight. And as you can see, I have a lot of pills, 8 to be exact, and they fit in here perfectly with a little room to spare. You can add more. I'm pretty sure that it will fill it very nicely. And I love the fact that I can just tip it over and take what I need, and the other pills don't get disorganized. It fits in my carrying case when I go on vacation, and it fits perfectly in my bag if I want to take it with me to work or any other place. I love it.
So keep all your needs in one easy, very sturdy and stylish pill carrying case. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.